Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new model from Solido, and a model I've been waiting for since Nuremberg Toy Fair, the 993 Carrera RS Clubsport, this beautiful blue Porsche. Of course, this is a metallic model that features opening doors and functional steering. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look pretty good. We have the turn signal and fog lights as well. We have the Porsche emblem, which is a sticker but still looks pretty good. We have the license plate here in the front, and also we have this nice front splitter painted in the same color as the rest of the body. Next we have the wheels, again looking very good. I really like the wheels. You have a nice tread on the tires as well. In the back we have the massive wing. Also we have Carrera RS written on the trunk, on the engine cover, and also we have the stop lights and the two exhaust tips, and also we have the license plate, the same as in the front, with the 993 Carrera RS Clubsport written on it. Underneath the model, not that many details. Like I said, I like the tire tread, and also have some details here in the back at the exhaust. Let's open the door to check the interior. There we go. Let's start with the minus. For me, I think the Carrera RS on this here written here, it's way too big for the model, but other than that, I have to say the model looks pretty good. Have the roll cage, we have the bucket seats, also have the harness painted on the seats, and a lot of the details on the dash as well. Let's check this part. There we go. Also you can see in the back, no carpet, of course. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it still looks pretty good despite of that little minus. And for me, it's a must buy, especially for Porsche collectors. And soon we'll review the turbo as well. Uh, also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.